Yo, what's up? Today's about the KZN, Mr. Number One, the richest rapper in South Coast. Put some motherfucking respect on the name, nigga. You know what it is. Shout out YC, my G. I see you, dog.
The God is here.
Yeah, my G.
Born in the first Lapana Mustafa Tuketa. How was the event? How was the concert?
Super dope, dog. Yeah, super dope.
Sure. Usuke South Coast, the West Side, and you just piss on my buzz.
Yeah, dog. I think this is big, I think this is big, I'm the just for me,
Sure. Usipisekile namhlanje.
No, angangezi yabo. I think ngizobuya kusasa because ngoba ngasulayini imoto ngifike because yabo nami siwakude vele yabo.
Okay, sithini struggle sokuthi ufike namhlanje la uzolala kuphi uma uzobuya kusasa?
No. At least I got my nigga the house piece of it. So shout out to Isazi kanjalo. Know your worth first clothing le ikhona iyatholakala first yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, first so crash again up first and then come back tomorrow morning and then do my thing and then go back to South Coast.
Ngiyayithanda passion my king. Uthini kumuntu bese ozothi mase kubonile ususibithile la athi yena bengenza ngcono kunawe kodwa wena ubusebenze kanzima walala waphinde wavuka.
One thing first I'm telling you, you can never do better than me.
Yeah.
This is Mr. Number One, right, Jaya? You
Sure.
can never do better than me, but you can do you.
Si expectani phela we king phela so as a king.
So far wamanje sazophuma nje ama video clips but I'm still working on dropping the single.
Yeah.
Maybe around August,
Sure.
but then next year then we're dropping an EP.
Ikuphi okukhona online manje uzokukhiphile mhlawumbe ekusho?
So far, nothing besides about video clips. Yeah, nothing much.
Izosho ukuthini kuwena le shandisi le mawucina ungenile mfethu le shandisi 64 bars isho ukuthini ku career yakho mhlawumbe?
No, but it's a big step too. It's a big step because I want to moves but then if ever there is something like this, shout out to Umesh, shout out to Switch, because honestly, it's a welcome shout out to Red Bull.
Mina king ngithi ngiyakusalutha mfethu nge-passion yakho nomsebenzi wakho omuhle mfethu. Ukuthi uyawusukumela mfethu. Salute king, all the best.
Nakhohlwa mfethu ngifuna ukushaphisa abantu. Nakho edizwa umuntu KZN mfethu yona yonke indawo mfethu. Sasukhala kakhulu. Shout out to you.
Ngiyabonga mfethu.